What's going on, guys? I think it's all in day 129. So today, I didn't take a trade, but there was a move, and coming into open, we were clearly bullish. We are rejecting off this new week opening gap here, and at first my target was the new week opening gap, but then right at open, or like literally a minute or a couple seconds before open, we came down into that range and came right out of it. So I didn't know if I wanted longer shorts. The fact was that price was bearish on the hourly on NQ. 4 hours bullish, and we're moving higher. ES was bullish overall. And we were sweeping these lows, right? Coming into the new week opening gap and coming right out of it. So, yes, I wanted longs, especially after this 5-minute breaking structure up here, taking out these London highs. What I was looking at here was this retracement, right? So we can look here. NQ retraced as it came out, broke structure to the upside, inverse the 5-minute. As it came out, came into this equilibrium zone right here. And so this was what I was looking at. I was looking at to take trades out of this. But the only problem was I didn't have a clear draw on liquidity. So if you look on the 4-hour and we look to the left, we're way above these highs, and these were great draws, but now they're gone. Now the only draws is up here, and then we're in this zone where it's just like fair value gaps, right? If we go to the hourly, there's a high here, there's 2 stacked highs here. That's possible, but it wasn't clear to me. And clearly today, it just went straight up. So I could have absolutely taken this trade, but wasn't confident in the draws and liquidity. So for my strategy to work here, I needed to break a structure, right? Break a structure. NQ also presented that same break a structure, and then it came and tapped into equilibrium. Now I just need one of the indexes to tap into equilibrium. Clearly ES didn't, so that means what? ES is leading. So I would have taken the trade here. 951, where ES broke structure, and then NASDAQ also broke structure. And I just traded a mock trade just to see how it play out. So hold on. Yeah, it had to have been 953 actually. So right here, which would have not been too optimal, but came all the way up, took out my draws and liquidity, and came even higher, right? But for the most part, this trade wasn't a plus because I didn't have clear draws and liquidity. I wasn't confident in these draws all the way up here, and there was a very large range to even attempt to trade to. But it was very well possible, and it clearly happened. But I wasn't willing to take any trades that I wasn't absolutely sure of and that I absolutely liked. Like today, coming into open, right? We had the new week opening gap. We're in this choppy range here, and honestly, this is just bizarre. But like I was saying, setup was there, higher time frame was there, and the last thing we were really missing was the draw and liquidity. Now, I didn't have clear draws. I charted these out, but they weren't. I wasn't confident in them. And I believe what I was thinking today, and the best takeaway I can get from today is, why would I be taking a trade that I don't have confidence in, that I don't see everything that I need to see? So these things were there, but in my eyes in the moment, I didn't see anything that was worth taking. Was this worth taking? and I didn't think so. So I didn't take it. But it absolutely worked. It happened, and you know, the only thing I could do from this is just take it in, learn from it, and do better next time. I mean, I don't believe that I necessarily made the wrong choice. Um, just because within my conviction, um, and my confidence that I had coming into the open today was very low. I saw today and I was like, I don't even know if I want to trade this. Um, Especially this was really my only draw that I wanted to see get hit, and of course London High as well, but that got taken out immediately. So yeah, but no trades for me. You know, we're just taking it day by day, man. And I think the hardest thing with this is like caring, but also pretending not to care. Because like, if I get too emotional, too uptight about a decision that I made or something that I missed, then you know it only leads and spirals you to more mistakes, right? So today, I could either take this as a missed trade or simply I didn't have everything I wanted to see. And I need to see every part of my strategy align, draw liquidity, higher time frame, and setup, right? The setup on the lower time frame, of course. So everything needs to align for me to even take this trade. And if I'm missing one of those, I'm not taking the trade, especially if I don't have confidence in it. Just say my setup was kind of shitty, and I didn't have confidence in the setup, but drawing liquidity and higher time frame was there. This happens all the time, and what I've learned is that I need every single part of that to even have a probability in the market, to continue to have probability in the market. And I've noticed that over time. So missing a step, missing a part that I need to see, ends up me spiraling, me losing money, me making a mistake, and just keep making mistakes, you know. So recently I've just been trying to take the absolute best setups that I can find. We had 2 out of 3 things that we needed to see. And unfortunately, you know, drawing the like these draws in liquidity, I charted them out. I plotted them, yes, but I didn't have confidence in them. And that can go with any of the 3 things that I need to see: setup, higher time frame, draw liquidity. You know, so believe confidence is essential for taking a trade, and I believe that you need to have high conviction in your trade, high conviction in your setup and your system, for you to execute that trade with a level mind. Because if I took this trade, I would have been just stressing about it for no reason, you know. And clearly, I wasn't confident enough to take it. I didn't like what I was seeing, and you know the outcome that happened. But it played out in the end, and honestly, that's all right. You just got to take it to the gut and move forward. So that being said, um, that's really all I got for you. It's just Monday, man, and taking things slow. You know, we got Tuesday, we got Wednesday, we got Thursday, we got Friday. Um, but you know, take things slow, man. Um, you need to have every part of your setup to even think about taking this trade or a trade in particular. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace.